Hi, welcome to the January vlog. I hope that you're all keeping nice and wrapped up warm. Dundee is not too bad, it's not snowed here yet, but it's freezing. So I've just ordered an electric blanket. I don't know how you're doing, but it's blooming cold up here. But I just wanted to welcome you to the vlog and also let you know that our January zines have arrived. This just arrived in the post right as I turned the camera on actually, so I'm really excited to open them. While I open this, you lot sit back, watch the video, have a lovely cup of tea, and I'll see you in a bit. Just had a meeting with Katie, our first meeting of the year. We're discussing all the wonderful things that we've got planned for 2021, and we're also going through our goals for 2020. And we've done so many amazing things last year. I'm so proud of us. Yeah, I'm just really excited that we managed to make things happen even with the distance between us and the weirdness that was 2020. We still managed to achieve so many things, and yeah, I'm super proud, so look at all the pink. We managed to score out almost everything on our list, and that's fantastic. And I can't wait to get started with our goals for 2021. My little secret Santa from our Christmas fair has finally arrived, and I'm super excited to open it, and I thought you could do it with me. So let's get it open, or as open as I can with one hand. Okay, I might need to put it down for a moment. There we go. Magic. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I like the look of this. And of course, the coin operated one. Oh, and our little mini one. Cute. This too. Oh, another candy cane. Delicious. Oh, is this a bookmark? That's very pretty. And this little zine too. Oh, this is so exciting. My order of zines from Sean Dempsey Comics that I ordered at our Christmas fair has just arrived. So I thought we could open it together. Because of COVID and the fact that it's being shipped from America meant it took a little bit longer than it was supposed to, but I'm really excited to open it up now. Let's see. I like that they've used recycled cardboard to package it together. A nice little stamp that says thank you. That's cute. Let's see. Cut the tape. Let's see if I can just slide what's in here out. Oh, I think I see something else. Yes. Oh, it's stuck to the tape. Oh no. Maybe I will need to open it properly. Oh, there we go. Is that everything? Yes. Oh wow. These are very cool. I like that these zines have almost like a little extra artwork on them because of the way that they're made. This is so cute. I love this so much. Oh, I'm excited to read that later on. And I got this one as well, which is another cool shaped zine, which is what made me want to pick it up in the first place. Oh, and they've included some little free stickers. That's so cute. Oh, I like the Nautilus one. Oh, nice. And yeah, oh, this is the little zine, and as you can see, it's like a little pop-out. That's so cool. I'll look forward to going through that as well. And I ordered this little print for my wall as well up in my pet room because I love Nautilus and I think it's really sweet. Oh, thank you so much, Sean. These are amazing. I love this so much and it was definitely worth the wait. Thank you so much. It's the 14th today and I'm working on the illustration that's going to go alongside Katie's poem, Are You Okay? We're making a little video for our YouTube where Katie's going to be reading out her poem and my little illustration sort of time-lapse video thing is going to sit alongside it. So this is the illustration that I've done and I'm about to edit the video together just now. From illustration to film, I can't wait to post this one. I think it turned out really well. Hopefully we can do more poetry readings in the future, a mixture of Katie's poetry and my illustrations. I think it could work really well. Maybe we can even make something like that into a zine one day. Who knows? Stay tuned.
Are you okay? I ask her 100 times a day. She always says yes, she's fine. She does so much for me. I worry she might get lost under all my rubbish one day.
If you want to hear the rest of Katie's poetry performance, as well as seeing the rest of my illustration time-lapse, you can check out the link that should appear in the iCards above, or it'll be linked in the description below. It turned out really well and I really hope you enjoy it, so after this video is done, do check it out, it's really cool.
So we set up our Discord about a week ago. Some of you have already jumped on there, which has been really nice, and we had our first craft club last weekend. It was just a fun hangout and people worked on their own arts and crafts projects and had a cup of tea and had some company, which was really nice, and it was so good to get to meet some of you in person. We're going to have another craft club on the 5th of February. We've not confirmed the time yet because we want to kind of involve as much of you as we can, and everyone's spread over a lot of different time zones. So we're probably going to put a poll into our Discord chat, and then you can decide amongst yourselves which time works better. I'm free whenever, the joys of a pandemic, right? If you go to our Instagram channel and then click on the link in our bio, that will take you to our Discord. We will be probably streaming live on Instagram at the same time as our Discord. If you just want to watch us make art and chat, that would be fine too. If you want to be more interactive and be on video and chat with us and stuff, then the Discord is the place to go. We're trying to create like a nice little zine community over there, so it will be really nice to see you. Just head to the link in our bio anyway, and we will see you soon.
Today I'm enjoying the lovely winter vibes outside of the window and I'm wrapped up in a blanket and feeling all cozy while I'm working.
So I'm working on my zine page for the Hysteria Aberdeen call out. They are doing a zine for LGBT History Month, and I wrote a poem during our craft club, and now I'm doing some art to go along with it. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm doing some collages from a 1916 magazine that is pretty interesting, so let's see what I can come up with.
My cup of tea is ready, I've got my pen poised to take notes, and I've got the drive with all of our awesome submissions open and ready to go, and I can't wait to go through all of the Scottish poetry submissions that have been sent in. We're having a session this morning, myself and Katie, and we're going to talk through all of the submissions and decide on the zine layout and the designs and whatnot and everything that's going to go into it, and then later on today I'm going to be sat down at my computer going through Photoshop and going through everybody's submissions and getting them all set up into the zine, and I'm really excited. This is going to be such a fantastic zine. Thank you so much for your submissions. I can't wait to go through them all this morning. Today I'm working on the last few pages of the poetry zine and it's nearly finished and I'm so excited to send it to the printers. I thought I'd just quickly show you a little sneak peek of what the cover is going to look like. So this is our cover and I'm really excited. I love the unicorn skull and I think the name that we've come up for it is really appropriate. So yeah, I'm loving this. I think it's going to turn out so well. The pages are uploading just now and I can't wait to hit that send button. I'm so excited. Let's do a quick sneak peek together of what our awesome Scottish poetry zine looks like. Let's go. Oh, or not. Oh, I'm so pleased with how it turned out. It looks so good. The quality of work that we got was amazing. Thank you guys so much. I can't wait to see this zine in its physical little format. So do stay tuned for our release soon, and it'll be hitting the shop, or it'll be hitting our store oh so soon. Yay, that's the zine sent to the printers, and it'll soon be on its way to us. I can't wait to get it. I'm so excited.
So this is our January zine that just arrived. For January, we wanted to celebrate Burns Month instead of Burns Night, which is just the 25th of January. There's so much wonderful poetry and many wonderful poets in Scotland that it just felt like we needed to give them a home. So this is the box of poetry zines that just arrived, and I'm really, really loving them. I had a sneak peek already, but this is the front cover. Chloe designed the illustration, and I think she used it for a past project, but she's tweaked it a lot for this, and it's a unicorn skull. And the title of this poetry collection is Keep Your Heed, keep your head for us English people. There's so much brilliant poetry in here, and there's a lovely little Scots message for people in there, and it was a really fun one to work on. Some people submitted some really great artwork as well along with their poems, so I'm just thank you for everyone for submitting your work to us, and I hope that you really enjoy this scene. So today I'm working on the design for our Valentine card, and I believe Katie is working on a blog all about Scottish poetry, so hopefully you'll get a little bit of history into Scottish poetry and some awesome Scottish poetry zines to check out in her blog. I'm really looking forward to reading that later on. Here's your little sneak peek of the design for the Valentine card. I know it's quite faded, I draw really lightly in pencil before the actual design, so you'll just have to check back later to see what it looks like in the end. Thanks so much for watching our January vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go off and read some of our poetry, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit that description down below to check out all of our socials and follow us to make sure you keep up to date with everything that's going on in the world of Coin-Op. And there's a bunch of links down there with all of the awesome things that we got up to in January. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more zine related content from us. That's all for today, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!